These are gonna be a problem. Here they are, the Air Jordan 4 Maniere. I was able to cop not one, but two pairs manually on their website when they dropped the other day. They are releasing tomorrow, once again, a restock on their website at 9 a.m. EST, and the Nike sneakers app, of course, at 10 a.m. EST. Make sure you guys enter. Good luck. You're gonna need it. These are gonna be a problem. Trust me. A lot of hype, a lot of demand. Talks right here of sneaker of the year. It's either these or the Lost and Founds. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. What sneaker of the year is. These are up there for me. I have to go with the Lost and Founds in my personal opinion. Speaking about the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s, I'm giving away a pair of Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review. His link is down below in the description, and leave a comment on this video. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1. Lost and Found. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me over on Instagram. Also follow Affordable Shoe Review and DM me proof that you guys subscribe to both our channels. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of the month. Right here, we have a size 13. I was able to get my size 11 as well. I'm waiting for them to come in. 13 came in already. Here they are. We do have that beautiful box, the Jordan 4 box. They switched it up. And we do have Maniere branding on it as well. Very, very nice switch up of the box. I love that. Let's take a look. Maniere always kills it on their collabs. So right here is the inside lid of the box. That's a nice detail. And we have the tissue paper. Woo! Oh, wow. Okay, so in hand, these are not the same exact color that I think a lot of people are thinking they are. I've heard people say that they think they're gray. They're certainly not gray. I've seen people say purple. I would go with a light purple kind of color. I think it's called violet ore. I guess like a light shade of purple. It does have that kind of Travis effect, like I guess colorway to it. But these are insane. You do have the Nike Air on the back. Ooh, oh, I must say, these are slimmed down. They definitely slimmed down the Jordan 4. Take a look at the details at the sock liner. You do have the quilted sock liner and the quilted insole. So it's definitely slimmed down, thinner material around here, around the ankle on your Jordan 4. Now, one thing that's kind of throwing some people off is that little button detail there. It does have the Maniere logo on it. And it's like a button almost. It doesn't come off or anything, but you can feel it. Ooh, look at that midsole. That midsole is fire. You have the cream midsole with the black. Beautiful Nike Air on the back. I think if they did a Jordan, it wouldn't look the same. That Nike Air is gorgeous on the back. And it's a collab, so I'm cool with it. Woo! So nice. You do have the beautiful Jumpman there on the tongue with the flight. These are really, really nice. So I'm going to take out the insole. It comes out very easily. Oh, wow. Check that out, guys. You got a quilted insole with the Maniere logo. And on the back, it's quilted as well. So that's a really nice detail. This is a really nice insole. And we have paper. Just normal paper inside. I wish we got normal, like, some type of special shoe trees again. I missed that. But yeah, this is a dope shoe. These are clean, these are fire, they go hard. The colorway is great. They're very wearable. Now, I'm gonna have to rank them. We gotta rank them. We have to rank the Maniere collection, the Jordan collection. So, I've copped every single pair for retail that has released so far, the 1, 2s, 3s, 4s. I copped 2 pairs of the 3s and a pair of the 1s. I think I copped 2 pairs of the 1s actually, and a pair of the 2s. And now I copped 2 pairs of the 4s. All for retail, all directly from Maniere. I'm good when it comes to manual. They know how to drop sneakers manually. We gotta talk about the release real quick. They know how to drop shoes. Maniere has the best releases there are online, period. You got, switch up the domain, they switched the website entirely. Then you have a CAPTCHA, another CAPTCHA, and hit submit, and then wait in line with Shopify. It's beautiful. It's great because no other website's putting that much effort into bot protection, and it shows. That's why you have a lot of manual people hit. Now, this is a great sneaker. I'm blown away. We gotta rank them. Let's do it. So, here are the ones. Here are the threes. And we got the fours now. I'm gonna go personally. I know my order already. I'm gonna have to put the fours, believe it or not, as, yeah, I truly believe the fours is the best one. 4, 3, 1, and 2. I did sell the 2s. I'm not crazy about the 2s. I might go back and pick them up again. They dropped. They're at basically retail plus shipping. I might cop them. Debating on it. Should I get the 2s? Let me know your thoughts down below. I might do it just to complete the set, but they're great. Maniere has amazing details, quality. Just they do great on their Jordan collaborations. I'm in love. They're great. The sneaker's phenomenal. It's a great looking Air Jordan 4. Quality is insane. That quilted material is nuts. It's a great quality, high quality sneaker. Retail is $225, so you are paying a little bit more of a premium, but you're getting premium materials. So it's awesome. I mean, I'm here for it. Now, this material upper is more of like a Durabuck, it seems like, than a Nubuck. It seems more like a Durabuck, I would think they would use here. And it's showing that more around the toe. There are some wrinkles throughout the sneaker, imperfections. So that's why I'm thinking it's a Durabuck. I could be wrong, but definitely clean. They do come with the hang tag as well, the Maniere hang tag with a ball keychain there. That's very nice. Whew. Nike Air, of course, on the back of both sneakers. Very, very nice details. The storytelling, the history of Maniere, it's all great. I love it. I'm all here for it. I think it's a phenomenal looking pair of Air Jordan 4s. Sneaker of the year? No, not in my opinion. I'm still going with the Lost and Founds, but it's up there. The Maniere Air Jordan 4 is definitely up there. They're clean, they're fire, and I'm very happy. To hit for retail, that's great. So, they're gonna be a problem because resale, we gotta talk about resale. It's dropped like crazy. They were going for 500, 600, down to 4. They're down to like 350, and we haven't had the drop tomorrow yet. Ah, man, resale. It's dropping, it's dropping, it's dropping. Which means, in my opinion, down the line, after it's done dropping, they will go up. I do see them going up a little because it's a collab. It's a Jordan 4 at the end of the day. And they're going for military black Jordan 4 prices, which is crazy. Like what? For the Maniere collection? That's kind of crazy. I guess they made a lot of pairs. It does seem like there was a lot of pairs. So, good luck on the drop. I know a lot of people definitely want to cop the Maniere Air Jordan 4 and put them to the feet. I personally will be doing that with my personal pair. These are crazy. They're great. 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 What else can I say? Maniere kills it on every collab that they do. They really do. I'm excited for the 12s. We're getting some 12s, I believe, next year, so I'm excited for those. And we'll see what else Maniere does. Maybe, I don't think they're going to give them the 11. Maybe they'll give them the 5, the 6. Maybe they'll give them some other retros. I don't think they'll even touch the 11. We'll see what happens. Hey, Maniere, you're absolutely killing it. I'm a huge fan. And thank you for having great sneaker drops. I can't stress how great the online drop really is. You guys have a great shot. If you're a manual user, you have great chances. You really do. Be fast and know what you're doing with capture. That's really it. So yeah, great Air Jordan 4. I'm excited to wear them. Put Drip Grip Sole Protectors, the best sole protector on the market here on the bottom to keep this bottom clean, because that cream out sole is great and I want to keep it that way. And oh, these are so nice. These are so nice. The quality's nice. It's just a great Jordan 4. I think you guys are going to be very happy with them when you do get your pairs. They're going to be a problem. Good luck on the drop. You're going to need it. Big problem here. The Maniere Air Jordan 4. The whole collection has really been a problem, especially the 3s. Especially the 3s here. But they're all a problem. They really are. And these 4s are phenomenal. So make sure you guys cop. Good luck on the drop. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 4 Maniere is fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.